Hello, dear students. Construction was going on, and in construction today some new types of constructions today we will learn here. Okay, and the first point is that we will draw one triangle in which the sum of two sides is given and one base is given and one angle. Right. So one base angle, sum of two side, and base is given. There are the three things are given this question, and we have to draw this figure. First, I will draw one rough sketch, and after this, we will learn how to draw. What is the steps of drawing of this triangle? Class, now see here. This is a triangle given there. AB plus AC is 30 centimeter, and the base is 7. That is BC, and the angle B is 75. Right. So, class, first you see this triangle. It is a triangle ABC. We let, and in which we let here BC is 7. And AB plus AC is equal to 30. Sum of two sides is 30, and angle B is 75 degree, right? So how do I draw? How can I draw this triangle? So the working is, and the steps are: first, we will draw the line segment BC. So first line segment BC I draw. All right. From point B, make an angle that is equal to 75 degrees. So from here I make an angle of 75 degree. It is 75 degree angle I draw. After this, I cut an arc is equal to 30 centimeter on this ray. It is a ray, right? Okay. So let this point is X. So I cut an arc is equal to 30 centimeter on ray BX, right? Is equal to 30 centimeter. So from B, you take one arc here. Let this point is D. Okay. After this, now I join CD. CD I joined. Right? CD I joined. After this, next step, draw a perpendicular bisector on side BC. So from on this side, draw a perpendicular bisector, right? So for this one, how do I draw a perpendicular bisector? From point C and D, draw a 2 arc on both the side of line CD. So 2 arc here, okay, and I join this arc. So this is the perpendicular bisector as we obtained, and this perpendicular bisector cut the side BD at point A. We let it is point A. We let it, right? After this, now finally join AC, and this is the required triangle ABC. Right? It is done. So now I am writing the step of construction. Class, actually step of construction in drawing I am reading. So also you can listen and just write in your own way. The hint I have done here, right? So a step of construction is steps of construction. So first, draw a line segment is equal to BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Draw an angle is equal to, also you write as in this way as well. Draw BXC angle is equal to, draw an angle XBC is equal to 75 degree. Okay, and cut an arc. Okay, BD is equal to 30 centimeter on ray BX. Cut an arc BD is equal to 30 centimeter on ray BX. Let this point is D, we let here, right? After this, now I join CD, all right, and draw a perpendicular bisector on side CD. Let the perpendicular bisector plus also we may just place this point M and N, right? Means it is the MN represent the name the line perpendicular bisector. So I write let the perpendicular bisector MN intersect, cut also you may write it here. If you write cut and intersect, both are the same thing. Intersect BD at point A, right? We let it this MN intersect BD as point A. In the next line, join AC, right? And the 6-point triangle ABC is a required triangle. Okay, yes? This is the complete this as a step of construction, and it is a drawing, right? Class, now you try it and copy down step of construction and copy. Now students, see in this question, in the first question we have taken means the given part is sum of two sides, and in this type of question there are the difference of two sides is given there, right? You see here what is the given things are there. Here the one is BC, we let it is base, okay? So here the base is given and one angle is given, one base angle is given, that is 45 degree, it is also given, and the difference of two sides is given. Class, for the difference of two, right, actually firstly there are the two cases arises, right? The first case is that, for example, you see, class, first I will tell you what are these two cases, and now what is the required drawing for these particular cases. So class, I let first the case first is case, now I just take case 1. I let it here AB is more than AC, right? Means AB, I write AB first and the AC on a second place. So this equation AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 is showing that in this figure AB is more than AC. So for this figure, how do I draw the triangle? First, I draw the base. The base is given, for the base is 8 centimeter. I draw it. It is the base. After this, at point B, I draw the given angle 45 degree. So it is the angle 45. Let the ray this ray is BX. Okay. On the ray BX, cut an arc is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So from here, take one arc is equal to let this point is D, and that is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Right. Now I join C and D. CD join, okay, and after this draw perpendicular bisector on side CD. So CD, I draw one perpendicular bisector. So what it is will draw, okay, this point will be cut here and this point cut here, okay. In idea I am drawing here, you can do you will do from using compass. So this ray also I have to extend this ray as well BX, okay. It is not necessary is that at the same point both should be intersect. It is not necessary, right? It may be intersect anywhere. It is by chance here this ray and this perpendicular both are intersecting at the same point, okay. It is by chance. So we let this point is A. This point is A. We let where this perpendicular intersect the BX, this ray, we let this point is A, and finally I join AC. I join AC. This is the required triangle ABC. ABC is a required triangle. And you see here, this line AB, side BC, side AB is more than AC in the figure you can see here. This is the required required drawing. And in the step of construction also you can write it here, right? Step of construction. The first point, draw a line segment BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Next, draw an angle, we let XBC is equal to 45 degree. Okay, and next comma, cut an arc is equal to 3.5 centimeter on ray BX, and let BD is equal to 3.5 centimeter, right? Means wherever you cut an arc, this point is D. So this segment become BD. So I write it here. Let the point D, where the line is, where the point this D, where an arc cut this ray. Okay. So that BD is equal 3.5 centimeter. Okay, we let it. After this class, write it. All right. Join CD, and after this you write it here. Draw perpendicular bisector Now class, continue this topic. Draw an arc, class. I just changed some this line here. Draw an arc, angle HBC is equal 45 degree, and cut an arc is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Say BD on the BX. Okay. After this, now join CD. We have joined the CD here. This line we have joined, and after this, draw a perpendicular bisector. Bisector on CD. Let the perpendicular bisector intersect. बस हम ये जो हमारा परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है, इसको हम थोड़ा सा क्लास इस फिगर में हम थोड़ा सा आपका कंफ्यूजन हो रहा होगा, तो मैं आपके कन्वीनियंट के लिए I like this point is M, this point is N, okay, and it is ray BX, and wherever this perpendicular and side line ray BX intersecting, we let this point is A. Now class, this point is more clear, okay. Now this vertex is more clear, you can understand it because now it is differentiated where the perpendicular bisector is going, where the ray BX is going, okay, and the point A, both are intersecting. So I let the perpendicular bisector MN intersect ray BX at point A, right? Actually class, हमको we have to find this point A, and now we have to find from this way, from perpendicular bisector. So after that, finally now join AC, okay, and triangle ABC is a required triangle. That's clear. This is the required step of construction. Class, this figure, how do we draw? What are the steps? This all which is very much important rather than of this one. Right? Step of function is not very much important to learn it because you can make it out to your own self. But this way, everyone have to learn it. Okay, class? Now, students, see, this is the second case. This question I have written here, and in your book, actually, this question given with the vertex A, P, Q, R. But I to avoid the confusion, I just taken the vertex as ABC. There is no any difference between them. So here we have to draw one triangle ABC in which the base is given. The base is 6 centimeter, and the base angle is 60 degrees given. Okay, and the main thing is AC minus AB is 2 centimeter, which represent here the AC is more than AB. In the first case, in the case 1, we have taken the AB is more than AC, and in the case 2, in the second case, we will take it is the second case in which the AC is more than AB, right? The reverse one. So what is the way to do this figure as per this and according to this information? Here the AC is more than BC. It is given in the question. There is one little change in this construction. First, I draw the base BC of 6 centimeter. Okay, from on the point B, draw an angle. Say BX is equal to 60 degree. Okay, that's clear. These are the common steps we have done. After this, now I cut an arc. Cut an arc is equal to 2 centimeter on the opposite side of line segment BC in the direction of BX. Means I extend the ray BX but in opposite direction, as in this way. Okay, and now I cut an arc is equal to 2 centimeter in this direction. So from the point B, I let this point is D, and this is that is equal to 2 centimeter. Just let's learn it. This is the key step in this construction. Firstly we have to extend the ray BX on opposite side. After this, cut an arc is equal to 2 centimeter on opposite side of BC. It is BC and it is the opposite side, right? So in this side, I just cut BD 2 centimeter, whatever the difference is given. Now I join C and D. I join CD. After this, draw a perpendicular bisector on side CD. From on this side, I draw perpendicular bisector. It is point M and it is point N. It is the perpendicular bisector. And this perpendicular bisector intersects ray BX at point A. Right? Finally, join AC. This is the required triangle ABC. ABC is the required triangle. Okay. So class, this is the drawing. Now write the step of construction. First is draw a line segment BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Next, draw an angle. Let XBC is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and cut an arc and extend the ray BX on opposite side. In fact, you write say BD. It is the one ray we consider, right? It is the one ray we consider. I extend the ray BX on opposite side. Okay, and say BD, and in the same step you write cut and arc BD is equal to 2 centimeter on, we write the opposite side as BY, okay, on ray. So the better is you write it here BY, say BY, okay, on the ray BY. BY is the opposite of BX, okay. So I cut an arc BD is equal to centimeter on ray BY. After this, now join CD, okay, and draw a perpendicular bisector on side CD, okay. So this perpendicular is PQ. Let MN be a perpendicular bisector intersect ray BX at point A, ठीक है क्लास। ये जो आपने बनाया perpendicular bisector, it is intersecting ray BX at point A. Finally you write join AC, okay, and triangle ABC is a required triangle, okay. Triangle ABC is a required triangle. It is the step of construction for this one. And now here class, in your syllabus of the revised syllabus of chapter construction, another also type is of in which the perimeter of triangle is given and the two base angle is given. So this type has been deleted from your curriculum. So whatever we have studied here so far, this is the it is our in curriculum, and we have studied here. So three things we have see here. In the first one, in which the sum of two sides is given, right, and the next when the difference of two sides is given, and when AB is more than AC, there are some there is some different construction, and when AC is more than AB, for this one there is some different construction, right. So this construction we have to learn it. A step of question is not a matter, you can make it to your own self. It is not a big issue, but the first what the important thing is that you have to learn the steps, right, for this construction. Class, do all this question of the exercise except the question in which the perimeter of triangle is given. This questions you do not do because it is not in our curriculum. Accept that problem, do all the problem in copy, and if you have any confusion, you may ask me on WhatsApp number or on my personal number. Okay class, goodbye.